In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit vendor name in Shopify. This is a quick but important update that helps keep your catalog tidy and your storefront filters accurate. The vendor field appears in your product's organization and is often used for filtering, reporting, and some collections. Getting it right ensures customers can browse by brand smoothly and you can keep analytics consistent. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with a staff account that has permission to edit products. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and open the products section. This is where all your items live, and it's the place you'll go anytime you want to adjust product details like title, pricing, inventory, or in this case, the vendor. Find and click the product you want to update. You can use the search bar at the top to locate it by name, SKU, or handle, or filter the list if you have a large catalog. Opening the product takes you into the detailed editor. Scroll to the product organization area. Here you'll see fields like product category, collections, tags, and the vendor field. Click into vendor. If there's an existing name you want to change, remove it and type the new vendor exactly as you want it displayed. Spelling and capitalization matter because Shopify treats each unique string as a separate vendor. Keep it consistent with how you want it to appear across your store, and remember that vendors are set at the product level, not per variant. If the vendor you typed doesn't already exist in your store, Shopify will show an option to add it. Click. Add using the plus icon to create that new vendor entry. If it already exists, you can simply select it from the drop-down suggestions to avoid duplicates. When you're happy with the change, save your work. Click. Save at the top right of the product page and wait for the confirmation. After saving, the new vendor is associated with that product, and you'll see it reflected in your admin and, depending on your theme and settings, in storefront filters and brand listings. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you use vendor-based collections or navigation filters, review them after the change to make sure everything groups correctly. Keep a consistent naming convention for vendors to prevent near duplicate entries. And if you need to update multiple products, consider planning those changes together to maintain consistency. That's it. Your vendor name is now updated in Shopify. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat this process for